Hi everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Elementor loading error. I encountered this video in one of my client's site. When I edit the page with Elementor, it stuck on the loading screen like that. I can't see any pink loading bar over the page, which usually appears when we open the page with Elementor. So how you can fix it? Usually we use How we can fix it? Usually this error appears with the conflict of some add-on plugins. If you use multiple add-on plugin with the Elementor, it creates conflict and Elementor stuck on the loading screen. But here you can see I have just two add-on plugins. I will deactivate both of them and then I will refresh the page. It's still stuck on the same loading screen. So how you can fix in this situation? So now you have to change some settings in the Elementor. Go to Elementor and click on Settings. Here in the Advanced tab, you have this Switch Editor Loader method. You have to enable it and then save it. Now go back to your page and refresh it. Now you can see the pink loading bar over the page, and now the page is open now. It's not working properly because I have deactivated my add-on plugins, but it opened and now I can edit the page. That's it. Just go to settings, then in advanced tab, and you have to enable the Switch Editor Loader method. Hope you learned something new in this video. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.